Doing a basement inspection on an older home down in the city. I wanted to show you some of this. It's kind of unique, but yet also pretty much what you see in a lot of these older homes. You have the old stone and mortar foundation. That's pretty common. You also see down here on the floor we have a dirt floor. Half of this floor is dirt, half of this floor is concrete. Also too, we have, let's see if we get a good picture of it. Spider webs are thick in here. It kind of goes along with the Halloween idea that we're having real close here. Anyway, now I got cobwebs all over. But look at my floor joists. These are all these are Douglas fir floor joists. And you could tell by the grain on them that they are. And what's awesome, they last a long time. We don't use them much, anymore. Oh, here's somebody's been doing a little bit of drinking down here. And you don't see this them Douglas fir, they last a long time, but they have a tendency when they dry out to crack. They're very expensive. We don't see it much anymore. But also I do want to show you here, we got a lot of asbestos wrap here. And this is the type of asbestos that it's loose, it's falling apart, the fibers are floating through the air. So we want to, these are very much a health hazard. I wouldn't have small children in here. But anyway, I wanted to take you back up in here because we're still back in the back floor here. This is just one side of the building. And see all my old piping and such. And I know it's kind of hard to see through all the cobwebs. But that's what we got in through here. Some old PVC and black iron pipe. Look at this. Now look at this black iron pipe. This is my gas line, man. The gas company passes it, okay, fine, but wow. You know, that's all I can say about that, just wow. But anyway, let's go on down here a little bit further. I've got to get out of here. See, my filter in here is just really filthy. My register vent, I mean. Let's go ahead and move forward. Our windows are all barred shut for safety, security reasons. We want to go back over in here. Now I want to show you. So they've replaced a lot of this old stack pipe with new PVC pipe. You have up here an open box. Somebody could really get hurt, but you know, I'm going to show you what's really bad about this. Is you come right around up in here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we actually have, well, see if I get my flashlight right on it. See, it's leaking. My valve is leaking. And see, you can see my electrical box is right there too. So wow, you know, that's really bad. Floor's been replaced up in through here. They've done some sistering. So we had a bad joist right here. They've repaired it. And so we come back over here, look at my electrical box. It's got really rusted up here. And again, there's asbestos everywhere. It's just, this is pretty wild here. So anyway, let's go ahead and kind of just do a quick look through here. We're not really worried too much.